Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm here to walk you through the simple process of using coins on AliExpress. Stick around till the end to make sure you don't miss any steps. First method, exchange for coupons. There are 3 easy ways to spend your coins on AliExpress. The first method is to exchange your coins for coupons directly within the mobile app. Let's jump into it. Open up the AliExpress app on your mobile device. Tap on the account option, then navigate to the coins section. Here, you can exchange your coins for coupons. Simply follow the prompts to get your discounts. You can also earn more coins by referring friends to the app or making purchases. Second method, paying for products. Another way to use your coins is by checking if there's a list of products that accept coins as payment. However, this depends on the seller's discretion. Keep an eye out for products offering extra discounts when paid with coins during checkout. Third method, special conditions during sales. During sales events, both the website and app may offer special conditions for spending your coins. Look out for these opportunities during the checkout process. You might find options to apply your coins for additional savings. And there you have it. Using your coins on AliExpress is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.